We continue with trigonometry. This is part 5. In this video, we discuss the double angle formulae. Listen and learn. Double angle formulae. This is also very important for the metric learners, compound angle formulae and double angle formulae. You will see all these formulae on the information sheet, so there is no need of learning it by heart. When you get the questions, look at the question paper and the information sheet. Choose the right formula for the particular question. That is the only job. Look at the formula. Cos 2 alpha. We have 3 options. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, or 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Can choose any one of the 3. It depends on the nature of the question. Again, sine of 2 alpha is only one option, that is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, we are going to practice few good questions on this double angle formula. Simplify to a single term. Okay, we have done a lot of questions. Now we come to the double angle formula questions. Cos x minus 360. It is not 360 minus. Remember that. It is x minus 360. Sine of 90 plus x and cos square of minus x. So these are the terms we have. We are going to simplify to a single term. Okay, we start. What we do for the first term, the cos x minus 60. We already know that. We take a minus sign outside and make it 360 minus x. And then cos minus theta is going to be cos theta. Okay. Cos of 360 minus x. Again, we get cos of x. Cos minus theta is cos theta. Remember that. Okay. Now 360 minus x in the fourth quadrant. So we get cos x. Okay. We continue. So we substitute that information in the place of cos x minus 360. We have cos x. Then sine of 90 plus x. 90 plus. Where is it? In the second quadrant. Sine is positive. But the 90 degree makes sine into cos. So we get cos x plus. What about cos square of minus x? What is cos of minus x? It is cos x. Then we square it. We get cos square. Okay. So we simplified. It's all marks. 1, 2, 3 marks already. Now simplify. Cos x times cos x is cos square. So we get 2 cos square x minus 1. Here we apply our double angle formula for cos. 2 cos square x minus 1. Go to the formula sheet and then confirm the double angle formula. We get cos of 2x. Okay, people, you practice good questions and score. Without using a calculator, determine the value of sin square 35 minus cos square 35 divided by 4 sin 10 cos 10. Okay, so we have already learned the double angle formulae. What is the numerator? It is sin square 35 minus cos square 35. Remember, it is not actually cos 2 alpha. Okay, we have to change it into cos square minus sin square. Remember. Now we put a minus sign outside the bracket and change it. And The denominator, it is not 2 sin alpha cos alpha. It is 4. So split it. You take 2 outside. So we get 2 sin 10 cos 10 in the bracket. Now we can apply the double angle formula here. Numerator. What is the numerator? Minus of cos square 35 minus sin square 35. That is cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, which is cos 2 alpha. 2 times 35 gives us 70. And denominator 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Look at the information sheet. We get 2 sin alpha cos alpha is the same as sin 2 alpha. That is 2 times 10 is 20. Okay. Now we can simplify again. Look at the numerator. Okay. Now 70 degree. What about changing the denominator? Sin 20. Sin 20, we know that sin 20 is cos of 70. Okay. That is the technique we use there. Okay. Look at sin 20 is sin 90 minus 70. We can rewrite it. Then it becomes cos 70. That is how we get it. Okay. And we cancel cos 70 and cos 70. The numerator is minus 1, denominator is 2. Minus half is our answer. Given cos 26 equal to P, without using a calculator, determine 2 sin square 77 degree. So, what we do? These are the metric questions, application of the double angle formula. We have 26, we have 77. So how to manage these numbers? We have to change into 26. Okay, what we do? 77. Okay, let us think like that. 90 minus 77. 90 minus 77 will give us 13. Now there is a connection, 13 and 26. That's how we have to start thinking. Okay, now let us work out the question. We are going to change it. Sine of 77 is 90 minus 13, but because of 90 we will get cos. So cos square 30. Okay, hope you understand now. And 2 cos square 13. But we don't have a double angle with only 2 cos square 30. Okay. We have 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So what we do? We introduce a minus 1. And to cancel that, we add positive 1. Okay. Let us do it this way. Very tricky question. 2 cos square 13 minus 1. What is that? It is cos 2 alpha. Okay. Cos 2 alpha. Okay, that is cos 26. 2 times 13 is 26. We need 26 anyway. Otherwise, we cannot substitute P. So cos 26 plus 1. Okay, so that is how we get it. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. 2 cos square 13 minus 1 becomes cos of 2 times 13, 26. So the answer is P plus 1. You must practice questions of this nature. Good people, this is very important. One more question. You will definitely get questions of this type from the double angle. Cos 25 equal to K. Determine the following in terms of K. Sine of 50. We are given cos 25 equal to K. Sine of 25. So we have to work out a lot of steps now. We draw our Cartesian plane and the triangle in the first quadrant. 25 degree. We choose 25 degree as theta using Pythagoras. Okay. So cos 25 is K, meaning adjacent side is K. K over hypotenuse 1. We write that Using the Pythagoras, we get the other side, third side. Hope you already know it. So when we work out square root of 1 square, 1 minus k square. Square root of 1 minus k square is our y. X, y and r. Okay. So we get all of them. Now we can answer our question. We will try. The question is sine 50. Immediately we must know that 25 and 50 we use the double angle formula. Okay, we start. Sine 50 is sine of 2 times 25, which gives us the double angle formula for sine. 2 sine alpha cos alpha, 2 sine 25 cos 25. Now we write the values from our diagram. What is sine 25? Root of 1 minus k square over 1. What is cos 25? Cos 25 is k. So simplifying to 2k times root of 1 minus k square. Beautiful question. Number B. What's number B? Cos of 50. Again we apply the double angle here. Cos 2 times 25. Okay. Then you can choose any of the 3 options. Okay. Here we are choosing 2 cos square alpha minus 1. That is 2k square. Okay. 2 cos square 25 is 2k square minus 1. People, we cannot unfortunately practice a lot of questions in these videos. So make sure that you practice a lot of questions from the metric question papers and then master this double angle and compound angle. So that is trigonometry part 5. Okay, you have to practice more questions from the metric question papers. We discussed double angle, formulae and application. We did few very good questions from the metric papers. Okay, so practice more questions and prepare for the exam. Good luck.